Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make text shake in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this it's pretty simple. So we'll have to go to effects and look for our text, of course. So we want our text just to be above this video that we want right here. Let's just extend this text right here all the way to the end of the video. So let's just check it out. So here, just check it out. And then we'll have to right click the text and new compound clip. You can change the name if you want to, but I won't. So once you have done that, all you have to do is go back to your effects and search for your camera shake. So here, just drag your camera shake right below the clip right here. So let's do it again. And there you go. So in transitions, you will have to go to your inspector and effects. So it's not working for me, but usually works. So there you go. Once we check in inspector, so here you go. You can make a simple type of camera shake. So you can add some motion blur, your quality, shutter angle, and very much more. So you can do this in the opening and in the end if you want to, as you can see like this. So there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.